for the very first idea, via planning, conceptual design and construction phase, up to smooth warehouse operation, as well as maintenance and service. If you have to increase your warehouse capacity because of a change in general conditions, mobile racks can present an economic alternative. Their mobile substructure enables the use of the most different racking systems, such as pallet racks, cantilever racks, and modular shelving systems or combinations thereof. The shelf rows are displaceable so that always only the working aisle is open. This way, a large number of working aisles can be saved according to the requirements. This process is controlled centrally from the control cabinet, decentrally from individual racks or via remote control. When designing new buildings, the storage volume of the hall can roughly be cut in half, compared to halls with stationary racks. This reduces capital and operating costs. In an existing hall, the storage capacity can almost be doubled when using this system. The company Kaiman, situated in East Westphalia, uses mobile racking systems. They manufacture insulation systems for refrigeration and air conditioning, as well as insulation materials for heating and plumbing. When building a mobile racking system, tracks are laid in a first step after completion of the hall construction work. Subsequently, these are leveled on the basis of the most advanced leveling techniques and poured out with non-shrinking mortar. Afterwards, the screed is poured. It is leveled flush with running and guide rails and trimmed. Finally, expansion joints are cut into the concrete. Another user of this system is the company Alulux-Beckhoff, also situated in East Westphalia. Alulux-Beckhoff is one of the world's leading manufacturers of roll-formed aluminium shutter profiles and aluminium garage door profiles. After completion of track and floor laying, the carriage was directly mounted on the rail. The carriages consist of moving gears, motors and further drive elements. Before these are mounted, first the rack beams and uprights are assembled. Standard racks made by Jungheinrich are used for the purpose. On the customer's request, the rack beams were painted green here. After rack assembly, the drive elements are mounted. In a final step, for this customer, wire mesh shelves were mounted as supporting surfaces for the goods to be stored. Depending on the goods to be stored, it is also possible to alternatively deliver pallet support bars or chipboard shelves. Jungheinrich realized another mobile racking system for the company Messner that was founded in 1970. Messner develops products in all areas of water technology, for example fountain pumps and pond filter systems. The control cabinet is the central operating and control element. General readiness for operation is signaled by the white pilot lamp at the rack. Before opening another working aisle, the release key must first be pressed within the currently open aisle. The employee has approximately 7 seconds to leave the aisle and to pass the front light barrier. The system is set to ready to start. The green pilot lamp at the rack lights up as confirmation. By pressing the control switch at the front side of the rack or of the remote control, the employee opens the new aisle. An acoustic warning signal sounds and the system starts moving. The displacement speed is approximately 5 meters per minute. For the entire travel time, the orange pilot lamp at the front side of the rack is on. It is only after the aisle is completely opened and the white pilot lamp lights again that the aisle may be re-entered. For reasons of safety, the system stops as soon as the light barriers at the rack or traveling gears are interrupted while the rack is displaced. This protects employees and goods during automatic operation. The Jungheinrich business activities are rounded off by mobile racking system maintenance. So, more than 3,000 mobile service technicians of our own in Europe provide the good feeling that customers can completely rely on Jungheinrich. For many years now, mobile racking systems have been realized by Jungheinrich. A constantly growing number of users from the most different industrial sectors benefit from this system. Jung Heinrich,